Okay. Oh, this looks really pretty. Okay, my initial thoughts. I think we're going to be bearish on the day. I believe. Actually, I don't know. We might just go up to higher highs because we had this area of chop like right here. I think that's a setup. Oh, I gotta check news. Okay, wait. Because I know I have a few orders that were placed over here. By the way, guys, I didn't win a single trade over the last 2 weeks, so there's nothing that anybody's missing out on. It's today, 6th. Okay, nothing big. So let me check. Okay. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Hold on. Where's the one? Where? Okay, wait. Is this it? This has to be it. Otherwise, there's gonna be a ton of arrows. No. Okay, you know what? I'm probably gonna worry about this later. Yeah. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna worry about that later. But for right now, if we tap back into this, yeah, I think we're gonna sweep all this and go up. That's it's my trajectory. Although it looks like it already did sweep Asia. Yep, that's my prediction for the day. We're gonna come sweep this out. Okay. Then we have this right here. This inverse right here. Yeah. First winning trade today. I gotta get it. Okay, I'm kind of gonna cut that out just in case, because I don't know if people are allowed to see that or what. But this is a trade for today. We gotta wait for market open. Dude, I cut my fingernails yesterday. I think I cut them too short. It actually like hurts. Like only whenever I touch them. Okay. Now I'm not positive about. Hold on. This. I'm confused about this. This like New York PM. I know I have Asia session right because you got Asia session highs and lows in London. I put pre-market on here too, but New York PM I don't like. I don't know. I'm not sure about it. I'm sure about New York AM because that's pretty volatile. And I guess that kind of stops around 12 though. Yeah, I might move it over to 12. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. New York AM goes till 12. There we go. That seems about right too. Because right here, as soon as you get a little bit of manipulation there, that's whenever everything goes, and it's lunch right there. Yeah, okay. Yeah, so it's starting to make more sense. There we go. So waiting for market open. You have another inverse right here. No, I think that's just a standard fair value gap. Dude, I might gotta go back to my no gaps candle thing. Indicator. Dude, I can't. What color do I use? I think it's that. That actually looks kind of cool, I'm not gonna lie. Borders. I know these are wicks. This is my chart colors, guys. There we go. Much cleaner. So I really don't care for what price is doing right now, but I do want it to come back down to about right here and sweep this. Dude, write it. No. How do I go back? Oh my gosh. Just missed thanks to this. I might do that actually. Dude, I'm so tired. And the market's not really doing anything either. What a terrible day. Dude, let me tell you about. I went to Publix yesterday, and I just wanted to go in and out of Publix because I got back from West Palm yesterday, and I needed something at the house. So I went to Publix to go get it, and I used to work there. And this one lady, she was just, she was doing her job, whatever. And then the bagger there, I knew the bagger because I knew him whenever I worked there. Oh my gosh, it was so annoying. I was talking to the lady. I was like, "Yeah, how's your day going, whatever." And then he's like, "He used to work here. Yeah, he actually used to work here, and his name's actually Gabriel." And I'm like, "Yeah, man, like, yeah, that's me." He's like, "Yeah, he used to work here," and I'm like, "Dude, like, he didn't no hi, no how's your day, no plastic or paper." Like, dude, he just cuts straight to the chase. I'm like, man, just that's why I don't like working 9 to 5, man. Like, just no, I'm kidding. I don't like being known by like 9 to 5 because it's a little bit annoying whenever I'm going in there and getting whatever, and the dude's just sitting there talking about some. Oh yeah, he actually used to work here. Yeah, two years, right? Yeah, man. Like, his name's Gabriel. She never wants to ask me, by the way. But I mean, oh well. Good times. What is it with my internet? It's been like this all morning. Oh, I was just about to do it. I was just about to click out of this tab. Bullish. That's bullish. This is That's bearish because right there it's bearish. This is bullish because the candle hasn't closed. Actually, technically it's bearish. I think same for this. Yeah, that's bearish. Nothing is like closed below or above. So same for this. It's just kind of down. This is also bearish. This is also bearish. So everything's bearish, but I want to buy today. This looks like good opportunity. Should I buy all the way back up to here, all-time highs? I think it's already balanced that out. Let me check the news. Should I go? I want to inbound. I want to inverse this since we did have this sweep right here. Yes. Oh, okay, 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 okay. What was I gonna do? S and P. Should I type that better? S. Where's the and button? And P 500. So basically, the S&P is the top 500 United States companies, but the reason that this says US 500, I don't know. It's like a slightly different chart, but I mean it's the same like everything, pretty much. Okay, if we get a tap back into this, I do actually want to buy. First, I'm gonna set this because this is part of the equilibrium. Yep. Okay, nice. Nope. Nope. What is the S&P 500? Yahoo Finance. Let's go to Yahoo Finance. Okay, so I'm looking for anything that's bullish or bearish. I can really read this chart. That's amazing. One of these dates. Wow. 1985, the S&P 500 open. Wow. Wow. So it looks like we're overall bullish. Wait. No. Because we do have all of these that are bearish. 6%. That's crazy. 4.47%. Okay. I'm finding which one's down. 17%. That's crazy work. 3, 6, 17. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I think we're overall bullish on the day though. Whoops, I don't need to go back to that. Yeah, I think we're bullish on the day. So this is the top of move. Okay. I think I do actually want to do this. There we go. Now, should I buy all the way back up here? 1 to 9.5. Hmm. That's a difficult debate. That's difficult, honestly. Where's the... Okay, wait. Now, most likely what I'm going to do is buy back up to here, up to these highs. Because I do believe that this is, yep, right there. Douglas, shut up! Oh my gosh, this freaking dog. I'm getting sick of him. Seriously. I'll probably buy back up to here, to these highs. Oh, there it is. If this closes bullish, then I'm going to enter. Because we did have that rejection right there, yeah. It does look like it is going to close bullish. Yeah, we got the sweep. I got everything I wanted to see. Damn it, it's moving without me. Oh, that's gonna give me terrible entry. Oh. Oh. That's a terrible entry. I'm down almost 2 bands, guys. Okay. There we go. That was loud. No, it's gonna do it. It's gonna do it. Where's the mute button? Where's the mute button? Mute, mute, mute. Where's the mute button? Nope, I can't get to it in time. So now, okay, there we go. Okay. Dude, I need to turn down that volume. That actually hurt my ears. I'm gonna turn that off. I don't like that. Although it is a banger though, it's a classic. So we got our equilibrium. We got to tab back in here. Fair value gap inverse. We got that rejection. Now I'm waiting for it to go back up. Okay, why am I down? Dude, this is a terrible entry. Okay, we only care about the most recent high or low, by the way. So if it closes above this little wick right here, then it's technically a break of structure. So I'm not too worried about it. And I do believe that it's gonna close above, although I should have waited, but I didn't. But that's okay too. So as long as that candle closes above. Oh my gosh, could you imagine if I had a kid at like 13? That would be so terrible. Terrible financially, by the way. Having a kid is not terrible. There you go. That's a break of structure. That actually looks really good. If we can somehow close above this, that would be amazing. Judging off the last candle, it does look like that. So I would like a close above that. Just so we're bearish on the 5 minute. Honestly, though, if I lose, I mean, I don't really care. I've been losing, so it's not really anything special. If I lose this, honestly, not a terrible trade though. I might could move this stop loss up just because I know that it's most likely not going to come back up and hit it again. Yeah, there that is. So the 3 minute has broken structure. So yeah, we're bullish on a few different time frames. I might move my stop loss up. Yeah, I'll need to figure out how to get these like arrows back. Okay. There we go. Okay. I got these arrows back. So we're gonna go see all this BS that I was trading. I don't think I traded right there. There we go. Okay. Here's all of this. Just absolute nonsense. As you can see, I got stopped out literally every single time right here. It didn't even, I don't know what I was aiming for. Okay. I know what I was aiming for. My trade's going well right now. So yeah, I went over all this. It's just this that I need to. Okay. There we go. So I know how far back to go. This trade's actually going pretty good. That's amazing. What I might do, I could extend my take profit. Honestly, no, I'm not gonna do that though. Just because if this is my first winning trade in a while, then I do want to like not push it. But this is looking actually really good. But I have had trades that look this good and I get stopped out again, so I am trying to be aware of that. I could move this to break even. This does not look like it's slowing down. I'm not going to though. I'm not going to move my stop loss to break even just because I know if I do that, I'm gonna come and get stopped out. So that's actually market experience, by the way. But if I move my stop loss to my break even point, honestly, I might put it. Okay. I was gonna put my stop loss probably about like right here, just to give it like a little bit of breathing room. Wait, that's not good. I don't like that number. There we go. That's a clean number right there. Cause I'm losing like maybe I don't know $50 or something. But it's giving my these lower lows some like space to breathe. And we have an inverse right here. Inverse this gap and it tap back in. Okay. So now everything does look pretty good actually. Now what I will do this. While that's running, I'm watching that number though. I'm watching it very carefully. And this is going to be one of the trades I'm going over on Saturday. Okay. Nice. So we got that sweep. That's what that is. I'll see how it's moving and if I want to eventually take myself out for just like a little bit of profit, but right now it's a little choppy, but I'm not moving my stop loss. Hold on, my boy's in a trade right now. I'm gonna look at that. He just sent me a screenshot. Okay. From this move right here, could want to tap back into here. But I'm not arguing if it just taps and goes right back up. I'm not worried about that. But honestly, I could go break even on this trade too. but I'm not gonna move my stop loss. If it gets down, yeah, I'll probably just take myself out. But I'm not gonna. Yeah, something like that. Honestly, though, no, I could leave this. Yeah, cause if I moved break even, there already was a possibility of it going back to this 50% thing, but I'm just gonna try and clean my chart out a little bit. But yeah, we do look pretty good right now. What is this? That is. There we go. I got it looking clean again. Just other little box. We could get a 5-minute retracement. That is possible. I don't want it, but I think that we could get it. Yeah, we're starting to have some dojis form up here. So we could have a retracement. That is possible. It wasn't the best trade to do since everything's kind of bearish and I'm buying, but you know, let's do the Wordle today, guys. No. So we do have a break of structure to the downside. I'm not too worried though. Yeah, we did have this tap back into here. Yeah, so price should start wanting to retrace. I could be wrong though. I could definitely be wrong. Most likely I am wrong. I got the word on 5. Wow. Not looking good. still in the frame. Hmm. Oh, that was a good stretch. Are you gonna come in my room? Dude. Oh. Hey, buddy. I haven't seen him in weeks. No. Oh, you stink. Oh, man. You smell. I almost don't want you on my bed. Dude, this guy's got some claws on him. Gosh. Ugh. Look at this chart. You think it's still gonna go up? I think so too. Oh, maybe not. We're gonna watch it though, okay? We're gonna watch it. We're gonna make sure it goes up. Oh, that's not good. I'm gonna hold it. I'm either making or losing money today, Doug. Oh, man. Okay. My boy said he's gonna buy an. Ooh, that looks good. He's gonna buy an AMG or something. He's at Mercedes Benz, dude. Dude, what are these moves? Close off my floor. The stock's gonna roll all over them. Hey, I put your butt all over my clothes. This is all clean, man. Why are you rubbing your face all on it, man? This is dirty. You can rub your face on that. You pissed me off. Don't talk to me. I think we're still bullish on the day. Yeah, some things are looking a little bit more bullish. And all these big names are oh, Nvidia passed them again. Apple was one of the biggest on the S&P 500, the biggest. There's no way this equals. There's no way this is 500. There is not 500 squares here. Like, let's be so real. This is not 500 squares. This is maybe 100 squares. This one's doing pretty good. All of the utilities are green. This one's like break even. Yeah, the utilities look good. So it's communication services. Technology does not look good. Dude, this is actually kind of cool. Hold on. S&P 500. What is this? Heat map. I actually kind of like that. That looks cool. Where is it? No, where is the heat map? Where is the heat map? There we go. I like this one. This one looks cool. I like both of these though. Oh, I didn't know TradingView had one. Still not a break of structure. I like this. This looks pretty good. What's the NASDAQ 100? Tesla's down. Honestly, I think I like. What was the other one? This. I like this. This was really cool. I like this one. Yahoo Finance. Still not a break of structure. Man, it's getting really choppy. This technically is still bullish. This is still bullish. It just has a lot of bearish side potential. Oh my gosh. Just hit take profit. I would move my stop loss down to like right here, but I'm not happy with that. So if I got stopped out here, I would not be very happy. This was not a good market to trade right now. $150. That is actually like a little bit. 170. That's a little bit that's tempting. That's tempting. But another price could go higher than this, proving that right now. But I do believe we can hit above these highs, and I'll get 344. Or I'll get the worst edge known to man. But I do need to get off at 10, about 10:30, maybe a few minutes after, because there's some guy coming at 11. Handyman. Dude, this is actually tough. I have 2 viewers. That's actually tough. I'm not gonna lie. We are technically still bullish because no, are we? So we closed above this high, and there's this high, then this low. Yeah, if we close above this, then yeah, we're technically still bullish. Although we are bullish right now, though. I could be the one to set you free. Do you think about me when the crowd is gone? I think I have that song on my playlist. Dude, this song is so hard. I'm sorry, but that song is so tough. I could be the one to set you free. Do you think about me when the crown is gone? We used to be so easy, you and me. I could be the one to make you feel right. I could be the one to set you free. Okay, my boy hit full take profit. Oh my gosh. Dude, this chart's barely moving. We have swept liquidity. Liquidity has been swept. Okay, the thing is, if I'm gonna get out now, I can't be too greedy. Cannot. Because that's not good. I could have a trailing stop. I could do that. I could target all the way up here instead of trailing stop. And I don't think that's gonna really work. I'm just gonna hold this to here and still not moving my stop loss. Guys, should I join the UFC? Oh, look, he be cooking. Two viewers still. Wow. No. One viewer. Because I did that. Still running. Still running. Actually, I wouldn't even say it's running. It's more like walking. Price was running right here. Now it's like walking. It's like whenever you're like running like a mile, like this price right here, like it was running, and then someone shot it in the leg, and then he's just kind of limping towards the finish line. That's how price action is looking right now. Boom! Oh my gosh, perfect sprint. He's got a hatchet in his right leg, and he is just barely just limping. He wants to get here. I know that he does. You got this, man. You got this. Wait, what about support and resistance? We gotta use support and resistance. Boom, right here. Support zone. Oh, we're not gonna win the trade. It's on my phone. No. How to lose $100 in 10 seconds. You're gonna lose $100 in 10 seconds just like me? Press the buy button on that candle right there. Oh. What videos did I get sent?
Okay, let's do this one last time, yeah? My name is Miles Morales. I was bitten by a radioactive spider for like 2 days.
I must say, I'm quite bored. Let's get on some Roblox fighting games and enhance my.
Oh no. No, no, no. No. Dude, what do I gotta do to like make this hit take profit? This is already a bad trade. Wait. I got this. How do I put emojis? Yeah, there we go. Where's the hammer? we'll use this. Ooh. Okay, wait. I already found the hammer, by the way, guys. I'm not an idiot. Found the hammer. Okay. So I'm gonna take the hammer. Wait. Where's the magnet? I saw the magnet there too. Travel places. Activity. There we go. We got this. What else? Where's the Israeli flag? Flags, okay. It's not the top one. Here it is. Just to ensure the fact that take profit's going to be hit. There we go. Take profit has to be hit now. Oh, that's perfect. I could honestly go to bed right now and I wouldn't stress about a gosh darn thing knowing that my take profit is going to be hit in full. We're going to really solidify this here. Oh, wait. Should we also get more magnets? It has to. What's a repellent? Is there like a repellent? What country does Israel hate? "30 countries Israel hate. Pro-Israel state. Gaza. What is that? Egypt? Oh, that's not good. So basically the whole Middle East. Oh wait, I don't think he likes this. There we go. Go back up. If you take profit, I'll get rid of the rest of these. Here we go. Wait. He still doesn't like it. He wants another one gone. There you go. I'll get rid of this one right here. You can hit take profit now. You want me to get rid of all of them? Ooh, wait. We could have a tab back into this. That could be a potential banger. This just needs to hit take profit, man. I'm sick of this. Is this difficult making $344 and 96 cents? I'm just gonna act like I don't care. I think that might be the meta. Just acting like I don't care. Wait, let me try the blowing method. Doesn't that work? I'm starting to get a little bit lightheaded. Oh no, that one doesn't really work. I just got spit all over my screen. It's amazing. The spitting method does not work.
Guessing the top 5 produced supercars. Number 1, then I'm guessing the 458. I feel like everyone's got 458. 458 is extremely popular and absolutely number 1 with a total of 20,000 units. And for good measure, they're awesome. Good looking car, no doubt. All right, what is another car that I feel like all over? And I'm sticking with sort of your entry level ones here. That would be the Huracan. Absolutely the Huracan. I feel like everybody and their brother, except for me, has got a Huracan. That is coming in at number 2, also around 20,000 units. What if we go the That would be the Gallardo. Yes, that is also on the list. You're at 3 for 3 right now. The Gallardo coming in at 14,000 units. We're starting to dwindle down quite a bit. The previous generation of the 10 for the 458, is that the S430? That is correct. And those cars were also extremely popular for a long time. We're dwindling down. That's in our number 5 position with 10,000 units. So I got one left. Yes. What's in our number 4 position? Okay, I didn't do any McLarens yet, so their entry would be 570. 570 is not on the list. That's a good guess. It does have low production. I believe somewhere sub 10,000 units, but it did not make it into our number 4 position. Give me a hint on this last one. Am I going up market, down?
Okay, so acting like I don't care does not work. I just had a little doom scroll session, guys. Base off support and resistance here. It should not go below this. It should not. Based off support and resistance. That should be as low as it's. That should be as low as it's gonna go. That right there. Okay, I'm gonna do the act like I don't care method. Doom scroll method.
Last one. Am I going up market, down market from here? It's an older Ferrari, like the early 2000s. The 360. It is the 360 Modena in our number. Car, maybe faster. Does it have a thinner interior? I said it once, but I'm going to say it again. I truly do believe that these B9 generation Audis have the best interior ever made. Honestly, a beautiful place.
Stream car says about him. Let's get into it.
Dude. So this was technically the highest point because it never even swept Asia session. Honestly, I'm just gonna leave it here. If I lose, I lose. We'll put that like right there. So not break even, but we do have this right here. All right. I think I'm going to go clean my room. So I'm going to get off the charts for right now. I'm going to be posting up on my story if this is a good trade or not. But I'll probably be back on later. I'll probably make a video, probably something like that. But I will talk to everyone tomorrow at the very latest.